Oh, sounds something happened. What will you going to do? Now, HONTA brings you the best solution.
Stay calm and follow these easy steps. Connect the transparent tube to the tire valve. After connected, press the repair button for 2 seconds. And you may see the repair light is on and the repair liquid is working out. Be patient and wait, the automatic repairing procedure will be finished in 4 minutes. After that, the repair light will turn off automatically when finished. Pull out the black color inflator tube and connect to the tire valve. After connected, switch on the inflator button. Now the inflator is working out. When the pointer reach around 25 to 30, it is almost ready to drive. HONTA Tire Savior guarantees at least 300 km driving distance. Repairing, air pumping, lighting signal, multifunctional product. And, don't forget to replace a new repair liquid. Rotate the handle, and pull out the empty container. Pull away the empty container from the handle, and replace with a new one. Place, and lock. HONTA brings you the best solution. Fast, safe, automatic, easy handling. Tire repairing, and tire inflating.